Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, do continue watching. Don't forget to hit the subscription button as well as the notification bell. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Now guys, as you can see, I've already done my brows and I put on my eyeshadow primer. You'll be seeing it as I cut my crease through this video. And I'm going in with that purple, dark purple. And off camera again, I put some tape. That tape step is completely optional, but it does help to give you a structured look to your eyeshadow. So I am just putting that dark purple, concentrating it on the outer corners of my eyes and blending it just a tiny bit inwards. Don't worry if it looks a bit harsh right now. You will be going in back with a lighter purple to blend that in place. So to blend out my dark purple, I'm using the two shades that you see and applying it on top of that purple and blending it upwards towards my eyebrows. You want to take your time as you are doing the blending process. It is the vital step in flawless makeup. So I go back and forth. And I forgot to show you guys this orange shade, but I do take a very light shade as well of orange and use that to blend the dark purple in place as well. I feel like the combination gives such a flawless look. And to clean out the area that I will be carving out today, I'm using an earbud. It is lined with my lip gloss because I do need an old base for this. And then afterwards, I'm going in with just a wet wipe to wipe that because you do want as low product as possible. And then using the same MAC highlighter that I use as my eyeshadow base and just putting that as a guide to my cut crease area. And then I'll be going in with my flat brush, applying some product on there just to structure that cut crease even more. So this look is quite simple, I must say, but I must also let you guys know practice makes perfect. So you want to just carve out the area, and I do go above my crease line because I do have hooded eyes. And off camera again, I'll be doing the other side. Going back into my palette, I'm picking up the lightest shade of pink I have to apply that on the cut crease area. So I'm doing a tapping motion as I'm applying this because when you do blending motion, you do tend to wipe the eyeshadow base from your eye. So I'll be doing the other side off camera once again. And the tape finally comes off. So you see what I meant about a structured look to your eyeshadow. Then for primer, I'm going in with my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I absolutely love this primer. It minimizes your pores and as well gives you a nice surface to your face to work with. So you just want to apply that all over your face. And then for foundation, I'm going in with my Superstay foundation by Maybelline as well. Then to blend out my foundation, I'm going in with a wet to damp sponge. As you can see, there's still some water in there, but more on the damp side than wet. Then I'm using the flat side to blend out my foundation. The reason I'm using a damp sponge is because a dry sponge does suck in your foundation, so you are really wasting product that way. But a wet one also helps you apply, you know, a beautiful even layer of your foundation in place. My routine is to first blend out with the sponge and then go in with a brush. I'll be using this densed brush. I got this brush and the sponge from China Mall, both of them for 50 Rand. So I'm blending that out on my face just to give myself a seamless canvas to work with. And then for concealer, I'm going in with my Lego proconceal in the color Fawn and applying that under my eyes, on my chin, under my nose, as well as my forehead. I do this process in segments as I believe it's easier to work with concealer that way. The same as the foundation, you want to do small tapping motions so you don't move the concealer around too much. And you want to be careful under your eyeshadow so you don't smudge it with your concealer. As I said, blending is key to beautiful makeup, and you really want to take your time doing that. So I steal some product from under my eyes and apply it to the rest of my areas. Right, to set my face, I'm going in with the Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder, and I'm using my beauty sponge. So you want to first apply the product where you applied your concealer, that is under my eyes, on my forehead, bridge of my nose, and my chin. And then you want to go back with the beauty sponge and press the product into your skin. This makes for a very seamless look, as well as ensures that your product is set in place all day. And then I'm going in with a fluffy foundation brush just to get the excess powder off my face. For contouring, I am going in with the All Women palette by FOSCHINI and choosing the second darkest shade on there, and I'll be using that to contour my face with. And yes, you want to pull that face because you want to be snatched, honey. And I'm applying that on my cheeks or the boundaries of my face, just to give myself a smaller look to my face. You are doing semicircles with your product and not just a straight line on your cheeks. And I like going onto my forehead as well. For blush, I'm going in with this orange undertone blush by Eyeshadow. I will be linking the name on the description box. I really don't like much blush, so I do go in very light-handed with any sort of blush, but you're more than welcome to go as crazy as you want. So very lightly apply and then blend in place. And then for highlight, I'm going in with the Rimmel London Trio. It has a bronze, a gold, as well as rose gold. And I like taking a swipe of each color and then applying it to my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, my cupid bow, as well as my chin. But I'm also not excessive about this product, as a little really goes a long way. Going back into my palette, I'm picking up a golden shade just to use that on my tear duct on my eyes, just to finish off that look. You can apply as much as you want, go crazy. I absolutely love this step. It's one of my favorites, as I believe it really finishes off that any look, in fact. So I chose gold because I feel like it really accentuates my purple shade. And I'm going in with a Love Extreme mascara. I Love Extreme Lashes mascara by Essence, and in conjunction with my Fiber Lashes by Woolworths. I'm using Fiber Lashes because I haven't found a pair of false lashes that looks natural enough for me. If you do have any recommendations, please hit me up on the comment section. And I'm using the same mascara to go into my lower lash line on both eyes. For setting spray, I'm going in with the Natural Finish setting spray by Wet n Wild. And I'm covering my eyeshadow because it does tend to mess up the eyeshadow. And then I like, this is optional as well, going in with a brush just to tap that into place. For lippies, I'm going in with Illegal matte lipsticks. I'm using two shades, a very dark purple as well as a light purple, to give myself an ombre look to my lips today. So I'm lining my lips with a darker purple, and then I'll be going in with a light purple and then blend them in place so I can have a nice ombre look. And that's basically the look, guys. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial, as well as comment on any other looks you want to see me do in future.